Hello everyone. So here today I am going to discuss what is mean by stability and stability order of among alkene and alkyne. So here with examples we are saying which is going to be more stable and which is going to be less stable, and least stable what happen is more reactive or less reactive, we are saying with examples. So about stability. So here stability means stability means which is more stable, so they are satisfied with their electrons on itself or with other. So this is stability means states of being stable. So తెలుగులో మనం స్థిరత్వం అని అంటాము. సో they are means fully filled electrons, so that's why they are more stable. Examples, noble gases are more stable but they are least reactive, but so some other elements are reactive with other elements. So okay, this is a stability. So next with examples we are saying just so ఒక వ్యక్తి చనిపోతాడు. సో చనిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాడు, కానీ అతను స్టేబుల్, అతనికి మనకు బ్రేక్ చేయలేము, మళ్ళీ ఇతను లేపలేము కూడా. సో దే ఆర్ స్టేబుల్ అండ్ బట్ సో లీస్ట్ రియాక్టివ్, మోర్ స్టేబుల్ బట్ లీస్ట్ రియాక్టివ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్. అండ్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఒక వ్యక్తి ఏమో నార్మల్గా ఉన్నాడు, స్టేబుల్, కానీ కొంచెం రియాక్టివ్నెస్గా ఉన్నాడు. సో ఇంకో వ్యక్తి, దాన్ని ఆల్కీన్ అంటాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్కైన్ అంటే ఒక వ్యక్తి లీస్ట్ స్టేబుల్లో ఉన్నాడు, సో కదలలేడు, కానీ మూమెంట్ అనేది ఇస్తుండు. సో మూమెంట్ మీన్స్ దట్ సో పార్టిసిపేషన్ అనేది ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆల్కైన్. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు I would like to take some parts about alkene and alkyne. So among those which is more stable and which is least stable we are saying today. So order of, so here alkane carries single bond, so alkene carries double bond, so alkyne carries triple bond. Okay, so here this is the basic differences among these. So now we are going to see first one is alkane, and means a stability order of alkane and alkyne. So this is now we are saying which is going to be more stable and which is going to be least stable. So write with examples. So for example, here general formula we can write. So single bond, double bond and triple bond. So here, so now it's the stability order of alkane, alkyne. So here alkane with single bond. So this is like this example. And second one is so double bond carries alkene or alkyne triple bond. Okay, between the carbon. So this is a triple bond, that means here like this. So this is alkyne. So which is going to be more stable, we are saying which is less stable. So by only pi bonds, depending on pi bonds and covalent bonds. So here alkane it is going to be sp3 hybridization, it is going to be sp2, it is going to be sp3. So alkyne going to be sp only, so sp only, it is sp2 and sp3. sp3 hybridization which is more stable but least reactive. Why? Because of this. So this is a covalent bond between the two carbon atoms. Here one carbon, here one carbon. Between the carbon atoms covalent bond is there. So there is no pi bonds, so there is no involvement of pi bonds, because so it is satisfied with the octet configuration and they are satisfied with electrons. So here more stable but least reactive. Okay, so this is a basic example. And next one, alkane is more stable but least reactive than the alkenes. Alkane is somewhat more stable, so but here pi bonds is there. Pi bonds and covalent bonds are sigma bond. So sigma bonds are very strong, they are stronger than the pi bonds. So pi bonds are mostly they are not permanent, so sigma bonds are permanent, but here pi bonds are not permanent because they are stable, means they are going to be involvement of transfer of electrons are involved in the conjugation. So this a pi bond involvement is there, that's why it is somewhat more reactive and then this alkane, and it's somewhat least stable than this alkane. So this alkane is somewhat stable and it is reactive, so reactive. Next alkyne, so it is sp2 hybridization. Okay, alkane. Next alkyne, it is example for so triple bond, always sp hybridization. Here two pi bonds are there, here one pi bonds, here no pi bonds. So pi bonds we can calculate, and covalent bonds which is stronger. So based on that we can define stability order of among alkane and alkyne. So here sp hybridization in alkyne is so it is involvement of 2 pi bonds. So easily this is least stable and more reactive than the alkane and alkene. So this is stability order of, guys. So this is a general example. Now we'll see a basic example. Propane and propene and propine. So among which is more stable, now we'll see. So here propane means 3 carbon atoms, CH3, CH2 and CH3. So here CH3 and CH double bond CH2. Okay, so which is going to be more stable. And now another example is propine, CH3, C triple bond C. So this is another example. So it is so they are already told you so which is more stable and which is least stable. So they are more stable, they are sp3 hybridization, this is sp2 and sp hybridization, alkene and alkyne. So propane is the most stable but least reactive. So sp3 hybridization and sp2 hybridization is propane is so somewhat stable but reactive, very reactive, and then the so alkane. Next propine is the most least stable but very reactive than this alkene and alkyne. That means propene and propane. So this is a basic example, stability order of so among alkane and alkene. So this is a basic difference, guys. So alkanes always, these are saturated compounds. Saturated compounds are sp3 hybridization. They are going to a substitution reaction and easily replacement takes place. And they next propene and propine, they are unsaturated compounds, they are going to be addition reaction. Okay, so these are basic things. So about stability, so stability means more stable. We are the examples we are seeing. So stability order which is more stable, that means alkane is more stable than this so alkene and alkyne. So least stable is alkyne but very reactive. Somewhat stable is alkene but it is also reactive, and alkane is more stable but less reactive with single bonds. We can't break that, so it is easily to break down. So with the help of any factors, it means hydrogenation, heat of hydrogenation is give or put them in among so this alkene and alkyne. So alkane is not going to be break down, so it is strongly formation bonds, so it is fully satisfied with electrons. They are going to be octet, so they can't move on, so they are stable, so more stable but they are least reactive. So next one is alkene. So this is also so somewhat stable and least reactive, so very reactive. And so most reactiveness is alkyne, so they are going to be 2 pi bonds they have, so easily break down with the help of other catalyst. So okay, so they are going to be stable. So this is today class stability, what is meant by stability and stability order of among alkene and alkyne. So this is an easy thing to do. So thank you. Finally, I hope all of you are understanding about this stability and what is meant by stability order, which is going to be so mostly it is depends upon pi bond and sigma bond, so and hybridization. So which is we can variable this one, so we can easily find out which is more stable and least stable. So this is so we can see only aliphatic hydrocarbons. Okay, these are the hydrocarbons in organic chemistry. So this is one of the topic about stability order and what is meant by stability. So with examples also seeing. So thank you, and finally do subscribe my channel for more updating videos. Thank you, guys.